How to download TikTok videos without a watermark. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to download TikTok videos without a watermark. In order to be able to proceed with downloading a TikTok video without a watermark, install the app called Top Clipper. Download link will be provided in the video description down below. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Choose a video. On TikTok, choose any video that you want to download. Once you have chosen, click the share icon. Then select copy link. Step 2. Download the video. Open Top Clipper and on the search bar, paste the video link you copied. Then, hit download at the right side of the download icon. Step 3. Locate your file. Click on the icon at the upper right corner where you can find the video that you just downloaded. Click the three dots beside it, then click File Location to see where it is on your device. In my phone, the TikTok video I downloaded can be found in the Downloads folder. And that's it. This is how you download TikTok videos without a watermark. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful how to do it videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!